How to fix due to repeated failed login attempts error on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you're getting this error on your Snapchat when you try to log in into your account, this video is for you. So before we begin, if you guys are new to Click Command, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do, or what I recommend you guys do, is actually just wait for a while. Now if you wait for a while, your problem might get just fixed because it has been temporarily disabled, not permanently. So you can wait for a bit and after that try again. If not, you can head over to your app store first. On your app store, search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, if there is an update available, update your app. So if you see an update button here instead of the open button, tap on update, and after you update your app, you can then head back. Then try again. If that does not fix the issue, head over to your settings. On your settings, head over to general, tap on general, and on general, head over to iPhone storage. On iPhone storage, search for Snapchat. So let's find Snapchat here and open it up. Now simply offload the app. Tap on off and offload the app. After you offload the app, you can then head back and reinstall it. After you reinstall it, you can then go back to your Snapchat and try to log in again, and then your problem should get fixed. After that, I recommend you guys to reset your password and change it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe to Click Command.